Hi dear sir, for our this small shining gold plating machine, there have also very important advantage is when you find there have some problem inside the tank or you want to clean the tank, you can take this shafter away. Now our technician is going to show to you how to dismantle this shafter. Okay, now our technician move the cover away. You can see we use the gear system, not the chain system to make this machine. So gear system will be more standard than the chain system. Okay, now our technician is going to show you how to take it out. It's very simple to separate the shaft from the tank. You can see they have a screw. So first dismantle this screw. Okay, then you cut the zipper and then you can take it out. See? Okay. Now our technician take it already. So it's very easy for you to clean this shaft or repair the shaft or clean the tank inside. See, it's a very easy job. Also for another shaft, you can take it out also. Now we just do one tank as the sample to show to you. So if you are not clearly for this subject, you can contact us. Thank you.